Hi, this is Joe, Kingdom Website Development Coordinator. I wanted to teach you in today's lesson how to create an article for your website, remembering and knowing that a new article will create a new page in your website. So if you want to create a new page in your website, you will have to create a new article. We also need to link that article that we create to a menu item. We'll learn that in our next lesson, but know that we have to create an article to create a new page on your website. To do that, we're going to have to log into the back end of your website. We're going to use the buckheadridgechristianchurch.org website. This is a site that Kingdom has created for Buckhead Ridge Church. To log into the back end of your site, you're going to put your domain name. I put the Buckhead Ridge Christian Church site's domain name, but you'll put your domain name here. Make sure that you have a backslash and then type in administrator and go to that. Once you go to there, you're going to go to the login page. You're going to enter the username and password that the graphic designer at Kingdom has given to you. Once you log in from there, you will get to the control panel in the back end of your website. To create a new article, you can click on Article Manager to create a new article, or you can go up here to the Content menu and click on Article Manager here. I'm going to click on the Article Manager. And once we get into the Article Manager, we can see all of the pages, all of the articles in this website. Remember, too, that you want to put your display to all. That will display all of the pages and articles. The default setting is 20. You can see what happens when that's at 20. I only see 20 of them, so make sure you go down and click on the all. These are the articles that are currently in the Buckhead Ridge Christian Church site. Here's one and here's one as well. The blue ones are live. All of these gray ones are not live. That means that the blue ones are active and the gray ones are non-active. You cannot see the gray ones from the front end of the site, but you can see the blue ones. We are going to create our new page right now. That page is going to be about the Buckhead Ridge Christian Church's Seniors Ministry. So to create a new article, I'm in Article Manager. I'm going to go over to New, click on New. And since this new article is going to be about the Seniors Ministry, I'm going to title it Seniors Ministry. I am going to leave the alias section empty. On the section, I'm going to select uncategorized. I am going to publish this, so it's going to be yes. This is not going to be our front page, no. Again, in the category, uncategorized. Here is our editor. This, what we put in this area down here, is what will show in the article. So this is going to be about our seniors ministry. I'm going to title it Seniors Ministry. And I'm going to write in some copy here as well. Now you're going to want to put a little bit more copy in than what I did, but for the sake of our lesson today, we're going to keep it short. Since this is going to be my headline, I'm going to go and bold that and make the font size larger. I could have done that as well from this screen, and I could have changed the font style, or I could have gone over here. These are default settings that you can change the font to. But I'm going to go back to that style. I could also change the color here. So, if this is what I want to create on my new page, I want to go up here and I want to save my work. To save my work, I can either do one of two things. I can either click Save, or I can click Apply. If I click Save, it will save it and take me back to the Article Manager. I'm going to go back into Seniors Ministry. You see the new article that we did create is right here at the top. It's listed as number 1. To open that back up, I'm going to click on that. Here's the article that I just created. I'm going to add some more. And I'm going to save it again. But instead of clicking save, which will take me back to the article manager, I'm going to click apply. That will save my article and save my work, but it will not take me back to the article manager. It will leave me right here on this screen, so I could go back in and add some more copy. I'm going to apply that again, which saves it, brings me back to the screen. It looks like I'm done, so I am going to go and click save, which will save it again and take me back to the article manager screen. Remember how we clicked the published checkbox in the article manager? Well, this green check right here tells me that it's published. If I want to unpublish that, I could click there and it would change it to red circle with a white X in it. That means it's not published, but I want to publish it. I can do that with a number of different articles all at once. If I sort of select on all three of those, I could go up here to unpublish, and that will unpublish all three of those. This saves you a little bit of time, but I want to make sure that they're all published. I could also, if I wanted to get rid of an article, I could select on that and trash it, throw it in the garbage. You want to make sure that if you're going to delete an article, you put it in the trash, it's gone for good. You will never be able to get it back. So just simply unpublishing it will make it so that it's not seen. But again, Seniors Ministry, I want to have it seen. It's published. In order to have it seen on the front end of my website, I'm going to need to link that to a menu item. Your menu is on all of your pages, and it has a list of links, which are words or sometimes pictures that will take people to the different pages in your website. In order for this new page that we just created to show up in our website, we're going to need to link that to a menu. I'll show you how to do that in our next lesson. Hey, thanks a bunch. Take care, and God bless.